Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to today's video. If you haven't figured out what we are doing today, we went to the RMS today this morning to go sign a few papers, and yes, we are here at Intense Panel and Paint to get the Civic. Yes, the car is finally ready to be picked up. It has been a month since we left it here, and so now is the time for us to pick up the car, and we just can't wait to see what it looks like at the moment. Hopefully it all looks nice and straight and we can get started on the bodywork of the car. So I'm just excited to see what the car looks like right now with you guys, and you guys are gonna see it here first as well. I haven't yet looked at the car, I've just got here myself, and I'm here with Kenny. Are you excited to get the car, bro?
Yeah, bro, I'm very excited.
Are you excited to see what it looks like?
Yes.
Same here. I bet you guys are too, right? I want to see how it sits now. Like before, you guys saw it before, it wasn't straight. The bonnet wouldn't go on properly, the front bar wouldn't go on properly, and we just needed to just repair the whole thing. So I'm just so excited to see how everything looks. Alright guys, so we finally got the Civic EG. At the moment, you guys are not going to be able to tell how it looks right now because it's missing the guard and the front bumper back on and the headlights. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like now in its current form. Now this is how the car looks. It did have a different support frame that was on there, but that has been cut out and replaced with a new one that's been welded. After Kenny's finished off sanding off all this paint, making it look, you know, presentable, we're gonna install the headlights, put all the body panels back on the car, and I'll show you guys what it looks like and how straight the body looks. Okay, so we're gonna put the headlights on, the indicators, the new crash frame, and the front bar goes on the car. That should be it. I can't really show you guys much of the shop at the moment because it is gonna get renovated very shortly, and Ricky doesn't want anyone seeing inside the shop as it is right now until it is renovated till maybe next year, I believe. So I can't really show you guys much of the shop.
Yeah. Do you have cable ties? Teach me.
Damn, you guys don't understand how hot it is right now, man. It feels like 30 degrees out here. And plus, because I'm wearing black, it just feels really hot. And we're only just, that's all we're up to. Hey,
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on.
Alright guys, so we finally put on the headlights and the front guard. It's almost finished at the moment. We just need to put on the front bar, and then that's practically it. The car's gonna be all put back together, and then I'll show you guys a quick little clip of what the car looks like and see how good this lines up. What do you guys think in the comments, alright? Alright guys, we got the radiator support, and voila! Yo guys, so we finally made it back home with the car. I didn't want to record any more footage at the shop because Ricky just wouldn't let me. Put back together, and we finally got the car back home. It is missing a few things at the moment. The bar is cable tied on the sides because we need to find the bolts. But other than that, check out the fitment that Ricky's done for the car. And shout out to Intense Paint and Panel again. Check this out guys. I don't know if you guys remember that this bar would not fit flush with this bonnet, plus the previous bonnet that he had was messed up, and when we tried to align the body together with the bent frame, it was just not working whatsoever. Bonnet was sticking out past the fender line, and it didn't match up as well. And over here before, I don't know if you guys remember, over here was up this high, and it just wasn't lining up at all whatsoever, and the gap was like about this far away from the bonnet. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is the gap I'm talking about, where the side is. That's just zip tie on at the moment, but that was just to get us home. So yeah, so this is how the car looks. Pretty straight from my opinion now. I mean, pretty good to me. Okay, now that we've got the Civic back home, I'm so excited to work on the Civic now that we have something to work on as content. I've been so bored at home, I just didn't know what to do. And now that we have it back, we're going to be getting more content, and we're going to be working on Kenny's car a lot more, and you guys are going to be seeing a lot of that work as well of his car on the channel. There is a bit of work left to do on the car. Now that we've got the car all perfectly straight as best as we can get it, in the next coming videos we're going to be prepping the whole entire car, getting it ready for primer and then ready for paint just after we fix up all the dents and dings and have everything sanded back down to metal. So this is probably going to be the last time you guys see this car the way it looks like right now. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.